Motorhome video. This is a Fiat Ducato Westfalia. It's the Fiat Ducato 8, so it's the kind of facelifted version of the good old Ducato. So you've got the fancy grille, slightly different dash, all that sort of jazz. This is a returning customer actually, but we've done a lot of work for her previously on the advanced in car side with like transporter vans and stuff like that. But obviously she's now got this, and she's coming for a Thinkware Q850, so one of the newer breeds of Thinkware camera, and the external mini volt battery, so that she's then got that extended kind of parking, videoing and things like that, because it's obviously not using the van battery or even the leisure battery, it's just using its own standalone setup. So Q850, really nice little camera, mounts horizontally. We've fitted it nice and kind of centrally, just below the binnacle, with the cable running through the binnacle. So a nice little cutout just taken out, so we've got a nice clean and tidy install. And it also sits just at a level where it's still behind the rear view mirror, so it doesn't get in your way, it doesn't clutter the screen or anything like that. Nice little subtle camera, 2K resolution, so really super clear, really nice wide field of view as well, and gives you all the same features that the older Q850, older Q800, sorry, gave you. So obviously you've got all your parking recording, super night vision, built-in GPS, the built-in Wi-Fi for use of the app, which is obviously the new style of app, which is loads nicer to use, far better for connecting, and much better interfacing basically. So yes, that's all of that in. And then I decided to fit the external battery. It's only small, but sometimes as soon as you start trying to fit it somewhere, suddenly it becomes very big. But we had a lot of space going on at the back of the seat here. Obviously this panel goes on and covers everything. But because the leisure battery was under here and there were various other components going on, I managed to find some space where it could then sit down and be located in there. So A, it's tucked away, but actually also really easily accessible, and works a treat. So now that gives a far more prolonged parking recording ability. So previously, if it was just run off the van battery, you're going to get a few hours of parking recording depending on how much motion detection it's picking up and things. But I believe this can get up to it's like 12 or maybe even like 16 hours of extended footage. So really good. So if this isn't being used for a while, then it can be parked up and left, and it's all a lot safer, a lot more protected. So that's about it really. It's just a quick one, just to let you know that Thinkwares can be fitted in motorhomes and stuff as well. Tricky to reverse rear cameras, just because obviously trying to get the cable through all cupboards and things like that, it's nigh on impossible. So front only, but it's still going to do a good job and obviously help you out on those roads now that they're all busy. So if you've got anything like this or want something similar, check out the rest of the videos, check out the website, fill out the contact form, or get in contact, give us a call, and we'll see what we can sort out for you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.